Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. Adeshima, Mimobi Biara Akwaba. So today we're making chocolate covered rice krispies. Yes, and some strawberries and pretzels. Someone ordered this for an event and she gave me the colors that she need was yellow, green, and red. So this is my yellow melted chocolate, and that's the molder that I'm using. Yes, so you just have to pour the melted chocolate in the molder and spread it. You have to pour enough. Then you place your rice krispies in it. Then you cover it with more or enough chocolate to cover it. It's just like the way I did the Oreos. Yeah. So this is a very quick video. So you make sure you cover it well. Let the rice cover it well with the chocolate. What you are looking for here is a smooth chocolate covered rice krispies. So I will take this opportunity to thank all my viewers and my returnees. Thank you for coming back always to watch my videos. And my new subscribers, I welcome all of you to my channel. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your love. We are all here to support one another. So I'm here to support all of you too. Yeah, so here I was trying to make some. She don't really like more designs on it, so I just did this it's a bag and shoes. So just to decorate just one. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay. So now I'm doing the red. Don't pour it. Don't pour it. Okay. So as I said, this is a quick video because my time was she told me at the last minute, so it's like I have to rush and then do it. So this one's is not fully covered. This one I just dip them in the chocolates. Yeah, but they look nice too.
Time for
Yeah, the
pretzels!
pretzels. I have a video on the pretzels alone, so in case you want to know how to do it from scratch, how to cover with the chocolate from scratch, then you can look for that one on my videos on my channel. Yeah. Okay, so that's all. And also the Oreos, I have a video on my channel. Here I don't have Oreos. I didn't add Oreos, or she didn't request for Oreos. So with the strawberry, the same, I have video on it on my channel. So you can look for it if you are interested. So here is it when it comes from the fridge or is solid. This is how it looks like. On your floor, aye. Now what I'm doing now is I'm trying to make a hole to put the stick or the lollipop stick in. Yeah, so this is this is the bag and the shoes. So it's now time for to decorate it any style, anyhow you want it. Adolfonom. Nti eyi yɛ Rice Krispies a me cover wɔ chocolate mu yio. Nti sɛsɛi no me woyɛ na wode ahyɛ fridge mu na akyɛn na wayi na wadecorate anaasɛ sɛ bɛgyaw no saa. Nti eyi nso mawie eyi no ɛyɛ pretzels no. Nti bag na meyɛ, this is the bag and the shoe. So that's the outcome of it. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, we're oh, I'm telling you, I was short of chocolates and I said, let me go grab some right away. It was sunny, bright day, and trust me, within like 3 minutes or 5 minutes that I spent in the store when I came, it was pouring, pouring. Oh, let's enjoy. Oh, yeah, the why. So now I'm covering them, I'm putting them in a case. Yeah, to make it more attractive and also neat, because it's going out there and it has to be preserved from germs and everything. And I want to. So we are done here. This is a quick video. I said it. Beautifully made. Nice. See every na ya packaging na kama. Me said when any J Juan Casa, they really enjoyed it.